guys, this is William Stark again. This is my second video on YouTube. I hope y'all like it. I'm gonna sing a song. Sorry about the old noise. That's actually one of my favorites shows. Timmy Turner. I know, very old. But here's my song. I hope you're ready. Hope you like it. I thought you was the one, but no one told me that you cheated on me. And I heard from school, and now I'm back on my feet again. I thought you were the one, no one holds me tighter than you. And now I fall down to the ground, but I still get back on my feet and stand on the ground. And now I regret ever meeting you. I never heard such lies coming from your voice. I never heard anything that was true from you. And now I am gone, and now I am done with you. Pack your bags, you're out that door. Pack your stuff, don't come back here no more. You think you're so dang cute, but I have to say you're just another cheater, just like the rest I have met. I shouldn't have fallen for you in the first place. You're just another fake, just another name, just everything I can see now. And everything I hear, everything I wish to be. And now I'm back on my feet, and now I'm back on my feet. And I thought you were the one, but now you're just another ex in my past. Hope you can never regret this, 'cause let them see this, let them hear this.